Hey guys, I'm Brent and welcome to the Daily Devo, and today we're going to talk about the time Jesus paid taxes. So when Jesus was walking around the earth performing miracles, both the religious leaders and the government were trying to find all kinds of ways to discredit his ministry. In Matthew 17, Peter is questioned by a tax collector. The tax collector asked him, "Are you and your master going to pay your temple tax?" And Peter replied with a simple yes. After this interaction, Peter heads home to where Jesus was. But before Peter could even fully walk through the door, Jesus, knowing all things, strikes up a conversation with Peter, beginning at verse 25. And here's what Jesus says. He asks him this question. "What do you think, Peter? Do kings tax their own people, or the people they have conquered?" Other translations say, do people tax their own sons, right? So Peter replies with this: they tax the people they have conquered. The irony in this story is that the temple tax collector is trying to tax Jesus. Jesus, who is the King of Kings and the King of the actual temple. But here's the beauty of the story. Jesus isn't a king who conquers people. Jesus is a king who sets people free. You see, he set people free by bringing them into a relationship with him. And as kingdom kids, you and I are privileged to be in a relationship with the greatest king that's ever lived. You see, Jesus still paid the tax. The next few verses go on to talk about how he told Peter to go fishing. He tells Peter that you'll find a large silver coin in the mouth of the first fish he catches. Take that coin and pay the tax for both of us. But here's what I love about Jesus, y'all. This wouldn't be the last tax he paid. You see, he paid for your taxes and mine. And I'm not talking about the ones we send to the IRS, but the ones we should have went to the cross for. Instead of us going to the cross, he went on our behalf. Today, let's take a moment and reflect on how Jesus paid for the taxes of our sins. And then let's rejoice over the fact that because he paid the tax, you and I can reap the benefits.